So I'm reviewing the Hurricane 20-inch box fan. I have it in my room next to my bed so I can get some good airflow going in here. Uh, Also, sometimes when it's cold out, I'll smoke by the window and use this to push the smoke out. Not proud of it, but hey, it's the truth. So, it works great. I like everything about it. It's pretty slim, sturdy. That's the high function. It's a little loud for me, but it's also in my bedroom. If it was in a different room, maybe it wouldn't be that bad, but pretty loud. That's the medium. And that's the low function. More tolerable, but still a little noisy. Not too bad though. I love it, and for the price, it's great. I would still recommend it. Just keep the noise thing in mind if that's going to bother you or not. But what can you expect? It's a fan. It's pushing wind. It's going to be some kind of noise. But there you have it. Great price, great fan.
Hello, this is my new Hurricane fan. I live in a RV trailer, very small, and it's like 100 degrees here in Florida. So I got this fan. This is the high. And my puppy Sunny just loves it. My temperature on my AC now is 80 degrees, so this is cooling my apartment or my RV down really well. That's the second. No, that's off. Sorry. This is low. This is medium. Nice sound. Not annoying at all. Thank you, Hurricane.
This is the fan on its lowest speed. Here's the medium speed. Here's full speed.
So at the beginning I didn't like it because the leg here, it doesn't fit when you put it in the window. But I found out if I flip it like that way, upside down, it works. I love it. It works fine. It's very good.